I do with my Canon EOS with its great lenses because
Yeah.
they take good pictures.
I know, they're really clear.
Okay. Read. Okay. What's this guy? He's a bird. Do you know what kind of bird he is? Let's see.
Say something to the camera.
He's a
Poof. Poof.
That's what his name is. And he lives along rivers.
Poof. Poof.
There we go.
I'm doing video. I'm videotaping.
He's called
Boop. Yeah. Boop. Where you going, Moon? Where you going, Moon?
I don't know.
You don't know? You going and hiding out in your closet? What's going on in here? Is that your fort still? Poof! Is that still your fort under the stairs, Lou? Maybe.
You ever see raccoons? Raccoons? Have you ever seen a raccoon?
I've seen the whole family.
Yeah.
Twice.